Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my deep conditioning routine. This is a very long and tedious process for me. I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I kept it up in a t-shirt for quite a while, so it got a little dry, so I'm just dampening it back up with this spray bottle. For deep conditioning, I really like to concentrate on one section of my hair at a time because I really want to detangle and get that deep conditioner to every single strand. Throughout this process, you'll see me use my spray bottle a lot. I just like to keep my hair damp while I'm doing it. I feel like it makes it so much easier to work with. I'm using the green tea and carrot mask treatment by The Main Choice. This is actually my first time using it and it smells amazing. In the end, you guys will see just how defined it actually leaves my curls. So as you guys can see, I'm combing through my hair over and over again just to be sure that I'm getting through all those tangles and knots and that the deep conditioner actually hits every single strand of my hair. I use a lot of deep conditioner and I comb through it a lot because this is actually my detangling process. So I detangle my hair every single time thoroughly and completely when I deep condition. So I follow this same exact process for every single section of my hair. I do about 4 to 6 sections. I just wet it, put a lot of deep conditioner in it, and make sure that I detangle it all the way through. I'm going to do this for about 4 to 6 sections, so I'll see you guys in the end. So my technique for deep conditioning is to basically apply the product just as you would any other styling product. So I like to apply the deep conditioner until I see that my curls are super defined and I can comb through it completely. So I'm putting on a plastic cap to lock in some extra moisture, and I'm going to put on my heated, hooded bonnet dryer thing on top of it and put it on the lowest temperature. I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply, but you can also find these at Walmart, Target, places like that, and they usually run for about $30. This specific mask actually says to sit under the dryer for 15 minutes, but you do not have to. If you don't have a dryer, you can just keep this mask on under a plastic cap for about 30 minutes. I usually use a dryer when I'm deep conditioning anyway, so if this were any other mask, I would just sit under the dryer for no more than 25 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.